Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to my channel. This week we're celebrating Earth Day and our collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner. I'll have everyone's individual photos at the end of the video. I'm using two Revlon polishes called In the Money and Tantalize. I'll use my La Cosedora stamping plate called Wanderlust. I'll have it linked in the description box below, and you can use my discount code Jenny10 to save 10% off your order at lacosedora.com. To stamp, I'll use my black Maniology stamping polish called Straight Up Black. Since the image is right on the edge of the plate, I'll flip it over so that it's easier to scrape off. Apply the polish first, scrape off with the scraper, and pick it up with my stamper. I'll use a piece of tape to remove the excess polish from the stamper. To fill in the design, I'll use my La Cosedora stamping polishes called Kryptonite and Dabba D. I always say the same thing, but it's so much fun and relaxing to fill in the images. It's time consuming and it's tedious work, but it's so much fun. And I love flipping over the stamper to check my work. To fill in the design at the base, I'll use my Maniology gold stamping polish called Heart of Gold. We're all done, now we wait for it to dry. Once it's completely dry, I can stamp it directly onto the nail. I'll apply my matte top coat, but only on the two middle nails. Once the matte top coat dries, this is what I'm left with, but I want to apply a little bit more of this polish because I really want to see the sparkle. That looks so much better. This is the end of today's manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you have a wonderful Earth Day. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Check the description box for links to everybody's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, leave me a thumbs up and let me know.